Good morning. 8:25 na ata. Si Jan umalis na golf. 7 o'clock siya or 7:30 umalis. Then, nag-iwan siya ng pera para kay kuya kasi bibili siya ng bait. I need coins, kuya, for laundry, okay? Yeah.
How much?
Just give me four. No, just ask them. They can change it.
I'll just grab a lolly.
No, you don't have to.
It's a little one. Seven.
Why? Bili siya ng bait niya kasi mag-fishing siya. Tsaka si Max. Tapos ako bago ako mag-walking, maglalaba muna para matuyo. Ayan yung dalawang bata tulog pa. I-fix ko lang yung bed. And ready ko na rin yung aking damit for walking. Doon na si kuya. Ayan, nag-scooter na siya. Ang ganda ng sky. Okay. Bilis niya naman. Okay, thank you. Where's your bait? What did you get?
Mallet.
Mallet? Na, all the towels. Pinapakuha ko kay Holly yung towels para labhan na rin. So, ito yung ating mga labahan. Okay. There's more in the bathroom, Baba. Get all the towels from the bathroom. And nakabihis na rin ako. Pero, mamaya pa ako mag-walking. Kasi hintayin ko pa itong matuyo. Matapos and isasampay. So, ang plano ko, baka magluto ako ng pansit para may lunch and merienda. So, we'll see kung maluluto ko yun. But, I think I will kasi para hindi sayang yung oras natin. Toilet natin sa... And ito yung OOTD natin for walking. Leggings na black. Ito from Korea pa to. Iba-ibang color ang meron ako nito. May yellow, black, and green. So, tatlo pala or meron pa ba? Pero yun ang naalala ko. Ilang beses na ito nalabahan pero okay. May pink. May pink pa pala ako nito. Ayan. Comfy lang. Hinintay ko lang si Holly para dun sa mga towels para malabahan na rin yun. Sana matuyo siya para hindi tayo gumamit ng dryer. It's all the towels? Okay.
You get the thing? Sorry?
Yeah, it's in here.
What is this? I gave my dad a massage for 20 minutes and he gave me $10.
Yeah, minasage niya yung daddy niya kagabi. For 20 minutes, may $10 siyang kita.
And I'm gonna go to the arcade and
Where?
Arcade get tokens.
Yung claw machine lang naman ang inaano niya doon. Ito ko pa rin. Hinapan niya dito.
$10. Where'd you get that t-shirt from?
Okay, let's go. Kaming lahat. What's that, Baba?
Rubbish.
It's alright. Put it because I need more.
That's a
I
lot.
need that. Yeah.
No. Is that bad bit?
Stuck.
So I'm packing the...
No, Holly can do that. Yung detergent siya daw magdadala. Okay, laban na lang muna kami. Ito yung detergent natin. First bag, second bag, third.
Main player the yellow. Oh,
Wait.
the yellow.
I'm gonna
Right, never do that.
this one, so put this one there. Light and white.
What about that book?
Yeah, gold is going.
What? The colors is going both in the same one.
What's that? Yeah. All the dark and light. And go on the other side. All dark here.
Dark.
This is light.
Oh, so it's a mistake.
Light. Put that one there. And then this is light there. This is light. More light. That one goes there, yeah.
No. Take that out. Yeah, I'm not standing. Ma, how much in it?
$2 only.
No, yeah, no way.
Thanks.
Okay.
What?
Yeah. Put 2, please.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. Si Sak mas marunong kaysa kay Kuya kasi si Sak sa bahay lagi siya nag-load ng ng labahin namin doon. You wanna do it here, yeah? Ayaw niya din naman eh. Pero ayun.
So this one as well?
Yes, please. Kuya, put $4 here.
4?
Yeah, these 2. Put it in here. Okay. Saka, you can put this.
What? Do you have your
You
money?
do you have the $4?
Yeah.
Okay, you put here. That side. 1.
Where's the other one?
Yeah, the same. 2. Okay, close this one. And then cycle. No, soil medium. And cycle normal. Step 1. Then start.
Medium?
Yeah. Normal. And 1. Start. Okay, 27 minutes. Okay, we can go first.
Wait, what's the...
What's the... Here. Malapit na pala matapos yung aking nilalabhan doon. Naglinis lang muna ako dito. And si Kuya kumain ng banana, yung chocolate cake. And eto, dinifrost ko na rin yung atay ng manok. And at the same time, tinatransfer ko yung na-edit ko na vlog sa external hard drive. Mayroong papasok na caravan. And mayroong mga batang nag-scooter. Ano ba ngayon? Saturday. Oo, Saturday. So, pag nakuha ko na yung nilaban, sasampay namin and hiwain ko to. Isampay muna namin yun bago ako magluto dito. Parang uulan talaga. Ayan, 2 ng caravan ang pumapasok. Ayan yung isa. Ayun. And ayan yung mga baw natin kasama. And another caravan. Oh, maganda kasi merong kang nakikitang may mga activities silang ginagawa. Hintayin ko lang yung mga boys or i-text ko na matapos na yung aming mga nilaban para masampay. Makulimlim talaga sa laba. Ayan, tingnan. Dito medyo blue. Pero dito, ayan, di ba? Dito sa side, ayan, medyo blue. Pero parang malapit na pala matapos yung aking nilalabhan doon. Naglinis lang muna ako dito. And si Kuya kumain ng banana, yung chocolate cake. And eto, dinifrost ko na rin yung atay ng manok. And at the same time, tinatransfer ko yung na-edit ko na vlog sa external hard drive. Mayroong papasok na caravan. And mayroong mga batang nag-scooter. Ano ba ngayon? Saturday. Oo, Saturday. So, pag nakuha ko na yung nilaban, sasampay namin and hiwain ko to. Isampay muna namin yun bago ako magluto dito. Parang uulan talaga. Ayan, 2 ng caravan ang pumapasok. Ayan yung isa. Ayun. And ayan yung mga baw natin kasama. And another caravan. Oh, maganda kasi merong kang nakikitang may mga activities silang ginagawa. Tingin ko lang yung mga boys or i-text ko na patapos na yung aming mga nilaban para masampay. Makulimlim talaga sa laba. Ayan, tingnan. Dito, medyo blue. Pero dito, ayan, di ba? Dito sa side, ayan, medyo blue. Pero parang, kung sa Bicol, marumadampog. Getting the chocolate. Too early for chocolate, Zach.
I had Freddo.
And you had the Freddo biscuit with chocolate
At that.
too? Okay, let's go.
So we gotta hang him.
Mm-hmm. We'll see. Suggest nila, i-dryer daw. So, tingnan. No. We're
The
gonna,
things never rot. Did you know how it ran yesterday?
yeah.
I didn't know because the radar was wrong.
Huh. Kahapon daw, sabi, hindi uulan, pero umulan. No, I don't.
There's $4.
Yeah, it's not enough. We need $8. Come on.
We'll just draw something for something.
We gotta put all in the line first, and then, let's see.
Why do you have $4?
For later, just in case it's not gonna dry.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray, melodies sung, sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon, all feeling brighter, breath feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I get better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. I'm gonna make it through any weather. Just close your eyes, tell me your dreams, all that's inside, all that you need. Hope for a future, beautiful view. Show me the new. 'Cause when you're with me, when I'm with you, girl, there ain't nothing we can do. One for the ages, 100 proof, we'll never lose. Baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I better. Gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. Gonna make it through any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. It's a time together.
Tapos na natin isampay with the boys. Ayan, magluto na ako ng pansit. Akin na yan, yeah.
Seven.
See ya, thank you. The $4, we save it for later just in case.
Take it then.
Okay. Are you sure? Do you check nothing?
Yeah.
Nothing here? Kasi minsan may naiiwan na undies o kaya socks. Okay. Makulimlim talaga. Pero bago tayo maghiwa, i-transfer ko muna yung aking, ayan, another caravan. Beetroot dito sa malilit na jar. Kasi meron akong malaki pa dyan. Ilagay natin dito sa maliliit. Para shot lang sila. Ayan. 4. So, eto, akin na lang to. Hugasan ko muna to. Then, mag-chop na ako ng cabbage, carrots, beans, and yeah, yun lang naman. Kasi may chicken pa tayo dito. Yun ang gagamitin kong pansahog sa aking pansit. Pansit bihon. Hugas muna ako. Unahin ko na tong cabbage. Ubusin ko to para maraming gulay.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side.
Nakat ko na yung carrots and yung beans. Ngayon naman hinihimay natin yung chicken.
Oh, hi, Pony Baloney. Hi, Pony. Carson?
Ganyan siya lagi. I said, I love you. Where's your sister? Still in the arcade?
Think pump track.
Pump track now.
Yeah. Think. I'll be.
Love you. Ganyan si Sak. Ilang beses siya humalik sa akin. Lalo pag nasa labas siya, tapos babalik siya, halik siya, magahag. Ganyan yung ano niya. Love niya sa akin. Kuya, are you here? Wala si Kuya. Okay. Dito na lang ito. Oops, meron pang ano, buo. Dito siya. Huh? Crying, no. Not the onion niya. Kinuha niya yung ano, yung what you got sa? Chips.
Smiths.
Smith. Yung salt and vinegar. Natanong niya ako kung umiiyak daw ako kasi akala niya sibuyas na yung hiniwa ko. Nandun sila kila Max. Sino naman ito? Who's this one? My baby girl.
Yep, it's your baby girl that's getting the fruit box because I'm thirsty.
Fruit box?
Yeah. I'm thirsty.
Are you still in the jumping pillow?
Pardon?
Are you in the jumping pillow or Max?
No, this Max.
Where's Kuya?
They're in the annex now.
Okay. Where's your jumper?
It's hot out there now, Mum.
It's hot now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's
Kuya's
sunny.
still wearing jacket.
Jumper.
Jumper.
And then he's probably a bit still hot because I'm hot.
Where you been jumping?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your money? Gun? Gun? My
I won stuff though.
What stuff did you win?
Lollies.
Where's the lollies?
I did.
Whatever.
I did eat it. See, there's nothing in it.
Wala na yung $10. Oh, more caravan, Baba.
We have no neighbors still.
No, we don't have neighbors.
And we don't have kids still.
No, we do have kids. You
Well,
already
they're like young.
you already play with them, right? In the jumping pillow?
One.
Wow. Who's the other
He's
kids?
6.
Who's the other kids there? I saw another kid. A few kids there. Hinihiwa ko rin yung tirang steak barbecue kasi sayang din to. Isabay natin. Isawag din natin. Dami pa nito, oh. Naglagay pala akong toyo dito sa ating atay and pepper. Lagyan ko lang ito ng toyo. Oh, init na pala. Ito na pala yung liver. Ilagay na natin dito. Okay. Tanggalin na natin yung atay. Kumuha ko ng bagong bowl. Ang daming cabbage. Napuno agad yung ating lutuan. Pero magre-reduce naman ito. So, ito na pala yung cabbage and carrots na saute na natin ito. Then, yung aking ginagawa ay yung greens. Yung snow peas tsaka yung green peas. Not green peas. What you call this? Beans. Then, bawang sibuyas na ang next. Dito na si Holly.
Hey.
Ayan siya. Papahinga pag kakalaro. Nalagay ko na yung ating inside. No, natin the beans. In the sink, please. Ating leftover na barbecue steak. Nakalimutan ko yung bell pepper. Ihabol natin to. Kalahati lang. Dito na si Jan tsaka si Ben. Di pa tayo tapos magluto. Pinapakulang ko na yung nilagyan ko na ng tubig yung ating meat. Hello?
Hello. What's cooking for lunch?
Pan noodles?
What you can?
I didn't go.
Why?
Because Max doesn't want to have some.
Si Kuya hindi nag-fishing kasi wala siyang kasama. Si Max kasi busy mag-ride ng bike. Where did you
What are you
go?
cooking?
Pancit?
Ah. What you can cook? Yeah, even today.
Wow.
Draw.
Draw. Okay, nagre-ready na sila kasi
Dad, still a bit wet.
magsiswimming ulit sila.
Yeah, it's alright. I don't know where they are from.
Holly, you don't
Where do I
need a
put 'em?
wetsuit.
Huh?
You don't need a wetsuit.
What's I doing?
That's only if you're boogie boarding or that. And you're not.
So baka imit ko sila kasi magsiswimming sila dun sa dati. Kung saan sila nag-swimming kahapon, doon ulit sila. Pero ako,
Did you wash that t-shirt?
yes, I did.
I just put it on for 2 hours last night.
2 hours mo lang. Hinanap niya yung sinuot niya kagabi na 2 hours lang daw. Bakit daw linabahan na? So, pati lang na beer yung linagay ko. Kasi ang dami.
Go to Max with your boogie boarding suit.
Pero inubos ko yung pancit canton.
You like it?
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you. I'll see you there.
Yeah.
We're going now, yeah. Hindi rin siya magsiswimming. Alis na pala yung aking mag-aama and yung ating pansit kaluluto lang. Ay, sarap. Okay. So, eto na yung ating pansit beyond. Parang may pa-birthday tayo dito. 2 tray yung nagawa natin. Ayan. Tinikman ko na siya. Ang sarap. And, ayan. Ang dami niyang sahog, in fairness sa ating pasahog. Mga tira-tira lang yon. Pero, ayan. Nakabuo tayong 2 tray na pansit. So, gasan ko yung aking mga ginamit para malinis pagbalik ko galing walking. Hindi ko nilagay yung atay kasi yung atay is para sa akin lang. Tapos ko lang maghugas. And hugasan ko na rin yung pinaglutoan natin ng pansit. Ngayon, takpan natin ito ng aluminum foil. Tapos kakain ako bago ako umalis. Anong oras na ba? 2:30 na guys. So very late na talaga ang walking. Afternoon walk na tayo. Uy, may langaw na naman. Huwag kang dadapo dyan. Pa tayong sunset. Ay, hapon. Sayang. Kain tayo bago tayo mag-walking. May dala ako dyan na calamansi, yung concentrated. Yung mamasita, masarap yun. So, ayan. Lagyan ko yan na calamansi. Okay, kain muna ako. Ayan, naglagay akong 2 atay, yung chicken liver. Hindi ko lang makalimutan. Sarap pag may kalamansi talaga. Okay, tapos na ako dito. Tapos na akong kumain. Nakapag-vacuum din tayo. Check pala is 3:08. O, diba? Ito na yung pinaka late nating lakad. Hindi ko kayo isasama. Mag-vlog na lang ako sa phone. Dito na ako. Ayan si Kuya. Was it cold? Ha? Cold? Naka 2.73k tayo. Papunta dito. Si Sak. Where's Zachary? Changing. Nag-change na raw si Sak. Anong oras na ba? 3:43 na. Show them your boogie board. Where's your boogie board? Ayan yung boogie board niya. Oh. Drying. Alis na sila. So, i-continue ko na yung walking ko. Magsasaing daw si Kuya ng kanin kasi hindi pa ako nagsaing na kanin. Yun na lang din daw ang dinner nila. Madami din yun, kaya okay na yun for dinner. Okay, mag-walking na tayo ulit. Lighthouse. Dumaan ulit ako dito sa lighthouse. And kanina galing tayo dyan sa baba. Dyan tayo galing. And dyan na swimming yung mga bata. Nag-boogie-board. Ano pong mga nasa-surfing? Ano ko makikita niya? Ayun sila. So dito tayo ulit dadaan papunta dyan sa Yamba Main Beach. Wala pang sunset. Pero may rainbow ko nakikita yun. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Ayan. Maliit na rainbow. Ayan, punta tayo sa market nila. So, eto lang yung disadvantage pag naglakad ka ng hapon. Kasi yung mga shops, cafe, sarado na. Ayan. Tahimik na dito sa sentro nila. So, wala na akong mapasukan na mga shops kasi sarado na sila. Ang tahimik. Hindi ako sanay kasi usually morning tayo naglalakad, diba? Busy dito. Eh, wala na. Si Friendly Grocer na lang ang open. Wala naman tayong kukunin dyan. Oo. Pati yung pharmacist nila or chemist nila sarado na. Anong oras na ba? 4:30. 4:30 pa lang. 4:31. Okay. Balik na tayo sa caravan. Ganito ang itsura niya paghapon. Ang ganda, no? Grabe, ang ganda sa personal nito. Parang postcard. Ang ganda. Yung sunset nandun. Ayan. Tapos dito, hindi ako makaget over sa ganda ng clouds. Para siyang candy. Hindi lang siya ma-justify ng camera, pero ang ganda niya sa person. Lalo na kanina. May photographer. Ito si Kuya photographer. Siya kanina pa rin siya kumukuha ng mga pictures. Bumaba na siya dyan sa may mga batuhan. Kasi ang ganda ng sunset kanina. Bahay na tayo. Ay, bahay. Nasa caravan na tayo. 5:50 na. Nakapag-walk tayo ng more than 7K. Ayan. Si Kuya, nagluto siyang rice. Kuya, what rice did you use?
He used the, this,
Ang ganda-ganda ng clothes, Bobo.
I know, it was orange.
Na orange.
Sky.
Pink, blue. Yeah, ang ganda-ganda. Pinicturean ko. Ay, nag-vlog naman ako doon. Makikita niyo yun. Ang ganda talaga. First time ko makikita ang gano'n na clouds. May 7 minutes pa, pero okay na to. Ayan. Ito yung tira dito sa isang tray. Nabawasan na. Meron ng kumain. Ito yung pinag-ano ko sa rice. Gamitin natin dito. Initin natin.
Ready? You want me to take it now?
What, the rice?
Nah.
Not
The
yet.
pancit for me. Yeah.
Not yet, because the pancit, I'm gonna heat.
How long then?
2 minutes.
5.
Kalahati lang dito sa isa. So, sabi ni Max, kakain daw siya nito. Tsaka si Ben. Buti nilang may malaki akong plate dito. In fairness doon sa steak, ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan. Ano siguro yan. Kung kulang pa, pwede naman mag-init mamaya. Kasi kung initin ko to lahat, masasayang. So, parang restaurant ang ating serving. Kulang na lang yung mga balls. Yung fish balls, kikiam. Kasi hindi naman nila yung kinakain. Kaya, ako na lang. Hindi ako naglalagay pa nagpapansit. Oh, this is hot. Ay, may langaw talaga. Okay, let's go. Bring plates and fork and spoon. No, I'm good. Ayan, guys. Ang bango niya. Ayan, nakakain na sila. Second round na si Sat. Max, second. Si Jan.
What's that?
Ayan.
Make sure you grab.
Tapos na pa silang kumain nahugasan ko na at naligpit ko na yung mga pinagkainan nila. And ito yung natira sa pansit. Ayan. Nilipat ko na lang sa maliit na plato. And ako, kagabi, meron akong in-overnight na chia seed. Ayan.
What is that?
Chia seed. And gusto kong gumawa yung katulad na ginagawa ni Papa. Kaso wala tayong ice. So, hindi ako kumain. Yung kinain kong pansit kanina, yun lang. So, ngayon, gusto ko talagang gawin yung ginagawa ni Papa na avocado tapos gatas. Kaso wala tayong banana. Hindi yung bananang pansaing. And ice. Tapos may skim milk ako dito. Tapos sugar. Pero ilalagay natin na sugar ay itry ko tong stevia. So kuha lang ako ng konti dito para yun ang ating sago. Walang sago yung ginagawa ni Papa pero gusto ko lang maglagay nito. Try lang natin.
That's gluten free.
Yan, konti lang. Then, dahil wala tayong ice, lagyan ko na lang ng more almond milk. Kunwari, ito yung ating liquid Ano kayang lasa
It
dito?
looks like stacks of lights.
Masarap talaga ito may... Ay, amoy niya na yung ano, yung may
Oh, it
gatas.
smells good.
I know.
What's it for?
My food. Ito na lang yung aking panghimagas. Hindi na ako kumain ng dinner. Ito na lang. Ay, ano guys. Oh. Avocado chia pudding. Ay. Maka? Sarap. Gugustuhan niyo to. Ano?
That's good. It probably will be better with us.
Yung chia po rin para siyang sago.
Masarap?
Ang sarap talaga. Tama lang yung tamis.
That's actually really good. It's so good though.
Okay. Close na namin yung vlog guys. Yun na yung vlog. Maliligo lang naman ako. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. And gustong-gusto ni Masha Canuilo yung pancit natin.
Are we having spaghetti tomorrow night?
I'm not sure.
Because I think I do want you next to me.